At PSM, we avidly read the FTC's latest complaint about pharmacy benefit managers and insulin prices. We're familiar with their practices since we have many pharmacy groups in our membership who have suffered at the hands of PBMs. Do you remember in 2019 when Senator Bernie Sanders bussed diabetics to Canada to buy cheaper insulin? He insisted that it was drug companies that caused the price to spike. Well, according to a new Federal Trade Commission complaint, high insulin costs in the US are a direct result of market manipulation by the three largest PBMs, not the drug companies he blamed. The FTC accuses the big three PBMs of creating a perverse drug rebate system that prioritizes high rebates from drug manufacturers, leading to artificially inflated insulin list prices. What I find truly shocking about this FTC suit is that the three largest PBMs allegedly exploited discounts on insulin to make extra money for themselves at the expense of patients. In 1999, the price of Humalog, a brand name insulin medication manufactured by Eli Lilly, was just $21. However, due to what the FTC calls a chase the rebate strategy, by 2017, the same insulin drug cost $274. On September 24th, Lars Jorgensen, CEO of Novo Nordisk, testified before the Senate Help Committee, where he explained how the PBMs are doing the same thing to their drug Ozempic. He said 74% of the cost of Ozempic is actually just what the PBMs demand as a rebate, and he worried that were they to stop paying the rebate and drop the price, they would drop insurance coverage of Ozempic, depriving patients the same way that they did insulin, because without insurance coverage, that insulin product was later discontinued. Another problem with PBMs is that when they under-reimburse pharmacies, they create an opening for counterfeiters to enter the supply chain. To learn more about that issue, which we've covered previously, watch this video we made about it or visit this URL at our website.